nagkasuyo at pasikat nagkabasag na baso. Pasikat sa baso, rather. And now, for the SMNHS Rondalia and Atlong Ansam,
they will play the Quintas ng Sariling Himig, arranged by Cayetano L. Rodriguez.
ayan.
Quintas sa Sariling Himig is a masterful arrangement by Cayetano Rodriguez that highlights the unique and soulful sounds of our own Filipino music. Okay, and then to be followed by the rendition of English pop medley, arranged by our own Lord Ma'am L'Oreal Angelique M.
Vinculado, arranger.
Hindi
lang si Ma'am conductor,
arranger na rin siya.
Oo. Hindi lang siya lecturer, arranger na rin siya. So,
The English pop medley, sir, featuring the classics Heaven Knows, How Deep Is Your Love, and Love Grows. This Rondalia adaptation is dedicated to the late Lola Onteg and will be performed by SMNHS Senior Rondalia.
of course, this Rondalia adaptation is dedicated to the late Lola Onteg. Ayan, yung Lola Onteg is the mother of her. Yes, mother. Yung kanyang Lola yung